how to download Valorant. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here. And then on the search bar, just search for Valorant download. After that, click enter. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click this Valorant download the game. So once you click that, make sure that you are on the Valorant website, which is right here. And then what we're going to do is to click download right here. And then this will pop up in this part. So all you have to do is to click save and then download it. And then once you've downloaded it, all you have to do is to just open it right here. So just click install valorant.exe. And then once this popped up, you will not be able to actually see the download progress in this part. So all you have to do is to wait for it. And then while you're waiting, you can actually log in into your account right here. And then once you're now logged in into your account, you will now be able to actually see the process in this part. So while it is installing, you can actually see it right here. So once you've already downloaded it, all you have to do is to just click the play button right here. You will now be actually able to run the Valorant game right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to download Valorant.